Good morning. My name is Robin Sisson, and this is the presentation of my portfolio. So I have entered in my GPA for my entry level, and if I click on that, I can download it and pick it up. It was a 2.98. I have entered my Praxis score. Click on that. It was a 1.68 from September 4th, 2021. I did not have anything for course prerequisites, and I noticed in the video we did not have to enter that because I did get my bachelor's back in '98, and the only thing I had to do when I started the grad program here was to complete the list of courses. So I did not enter that. For my intermediate level, I entered a lesson plan. On, sorry, it came up on my other screen. On the Medici family for a world history activity. And it included several bits of information that was needed for this project. And it was a two-part lesson plan. I'm showing all of the bits of information about that. Oops, I apologize. All right, then my case study was from my special education class, and it keeps coming up on my other screen. It was about a boy with ADHD, visual dyslexia, auditory dyslexia, behavioral disorder, and sensory disorder. Pardon me. The information from my field experience is was a reflection for while I was working with the Arkansas Virtual Academy. The disposition, pardon me once again, was a test I did for a previous class on Arkansas geography. My technology is 3 of my PowerPoints that I created for my internship. They're loading right now. I'm going to go ahead and click on all 3 so I can bring them up a little quicker. Sorry, the PowerPoint is not pulling up. There we go. One of them was lesson 14 for psychology, developmental, and individual differences. One was world history, lesson number 14. It was on King Henry VIII and his wives. And the other was on lesson number 12, psychology on forgetting. These are just 3 of the PowerPoints that I did. Unit plan was the phase 1, 2, and phase 3 through 6 that I did for class this semester. It was also with the Medicis. The lesson plan I included earlier was the Medicis, and then this is the remainder of the project that goes all the way down to phase 3, 4, and 5. Includes the rubric, the assessments. Pardon me. My teacher work sample. Was also done this semester. There we go. Pardon me. It was done this semester. Includes the rationale, learning objective, pre-assessment measures, daily lesson plan, tasks, post-assessment, analysis of student learning, evaluation of unit success, and reflection of future implications. This is my teaching philosophy. I've done 2 of them that I included in here. One was why I want to be a teacher, and the other one was from my special education philosophy. This was an initial one that I had done my first semester, and the special education one I also did my first semester. Both are one-page reflection philosophies. Let's see. My internship includes my forms for my teacher evaluation and my reflection on my internship. This is her summative evaluation form, where she went over in detail my information, her classroom evaluation. And then there was a short form she also completed on me. And then there was, oops, I apologize, my reflection on my experience interning. And then it has my academic transcript, my unofficial transcript. It just included, I downloaded this from Boss. It only has my grade point average in the graduate program, where it does show that I've had a 4-point since coming into the graduate program. Thank you very much. If there's anything you need from me, please let me know. And I appreciate everything that you have done this semester. Thank you. Bye-bye.